Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add this ring right here to your YouTube channel. So this ring that you see at the corner here, so this may can be your social media accounts or it can be your website. So I'm going to show you how you can add those ring down here. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now first thing that I want us to do is just come to customize channel right here. Alright, so you have that, a new tab should be open up. Now this is opening up right here, so make sure you are on customization right there. Right, so now just click on basic info right here, basic info, and then they should open up. So now I want you to scroll down. As you can see, a ring, add ring to site you want to share with your viewer. All these ring, as you can see, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you come to my profile, if you come to my channel, these are the rings right here. Right, you have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. These are the ring. So if you wanted to add a new ring, you can just click on add ring right here. So and then you can add a new one, let's say your Pinterest or something like that, and then you can add the URL to it. So right, I don't have any more ring, so you can also adjust this. If you want to move it up or down, you can be able to adjust this. They are adjustable. And here, as you can see, you can also set the number of ring that you want to be shown up here. If you come to your channel, this ring right here, so I have 4 here, so you can first 4 links, and then once you did that, you can publish. Just click on publish there. Right, and then as you can see, your channel changes publish. So yeah, that's how you can add rings to your channel. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.